What's the meaning of abortive? Abortive. 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 The word abortive means failing to succeed, unsuccessful. It can be used to describe a plan, attempt, or action that does not achieve its desired outcome. For example, a military campaign that is defeated or a business venture that goes bankrupt could be considered abortive. The result of an abortive attempt is typically failure or disappointment. Briefly, abortive means failing to succeed or achieve a desired outcome. An abortive attempt is typically unsuccessful and leads to failure or disappointment. Examples of abortive attempts include failed military campaigns and bankrupt businesses.